I'm Carrie Chesney with the Colorado Department of Labor and Employment. I want to talk to you about labor law violations common in your line of work and what to do if you think wage theft has happened to you. Let's jump in. Let's talk about the direct care worker base rate. Back in 2021, Colorado implemented something called the direct care worker base rate for certain types of home and community-based services, HCBS workers. The intention was to leverage some federal money to increase and bolster the direct care workforce here in Colorado. The first thing you need to know about the direct care worker base rate is who it applies to. What's considered a direct care worker? Here's the technical definition. A direct care worker is a non-administrative employee or independent contractor who provides hands-on care, services, and support to older adults and people with disabilities on behalf of a provider agency, or what we call a consumer-directed attendant support services employer. Some common examples of direct care workers are certified nursing assistants, CNAs, post-home providers, HHPs, respite providers, RPs, personal care providers, PCPs, companions, day program workers, supported community connector, SCC workers. The next thing you need to know about the direct care wage rate is what you can do if you're not paid at this rate. You have some options. You can report violations of the direct care base wage requirement to the state. Two agencies may be able to address the situation. Either the Colorado Department of Labor and Employment or the Colorado Department of Healthcare Policy and Financing. You can file a wage complaint with us, the Division of Labor Standards and Statistics within the Colorado Department of Labor at cdle.colorado.gov/complaint, and an investigator will look into your case. You can also report to the Department of Healthcare Policy and Financing, which will then conduct an audit and determine next steps. Submit your report to HCPF_wage-compliance_FCU@state.co.us. File in small claims court on your own for wages owed. Consult an employment attorney for legal advice and next steps. Remember, the direct care worker base wage rate applies only to workers providing Medicaid-funded HCBS services. Direct care workers providing a mix of Medicaid-funded HCBS services and other services are still entitled to the direct care worker base wage rate for all services they provide. Workers providing only non-Medicaid-funded services or private pay services are not entitled to the direct care worker base wage rate and may be paid as little as the Colorado minimum wage. If you think you're owed wages, you can file a claim with the Colorado Department of Labor and Employment at cdle.colorado.gov/complaint. If you are not sure whether you may be owed wages, you can visit our website, call 303-318-8441, or email cdle_labor_standards@state.co.us. Thanks for watching.